Hello guys, this is Akash Kumar and today we're back to the logo programming tutorial and today we'll be making a square surrounded by squares on all four sides and we'll also be coloring them. So we have to start from repeat for FD80 RT90. Okay, run. Huh? Wasn't it happening? Come on. Maybe I just have to do it. Oh wait, I have to do PT repeat for FT80 RT90 and now you have to do PU and now RT45 FD30 set color pick red and now you have to do fill. Now PK30 and now PD RT45 FD160 LT90 FD80 LT90 FT80 and now LT135 and now PU and now FT30 set color orange oh wait I forgot to type pick now run fill PK30 PD LT45 FT80 LT90 FT80 FT80 LT LT90, FT80, LT90, FD80, LT135, wait, PU, FD30. Now set color pick. Oh, wait, let me erase M, and now it's going to be um yellow, and now, oh, I made a mistake. I forgot to type I, and now I did. And now fill BK30, LT45, F, wait, PD, repeat for FT80, RT, wait, I meant LT90, and now LT45, PU, FT30, set color pick, green, fill BK30, PD, LT45, FT160, LT90, sorry, I meant RT180, but actually it was supposed to be RT90. I just made a mistake, so do not do that. FT80, RT90, FD80, and now this is RT125, FD80. Oh wait, I forgot to do PU, FD30, set color pick, um purple, fill BK30, PD, LT45, FT160, LT90, FT80, LT90. Wait, what? Wait, let me try. LT90, FT160, LT90. Sorry, I meant RT180, FT80, RT135, PU, FT30, set color. Wait, sorry, LOR, pick. I would prefer pink. Fill, BK30, RT45, FD160, PD, BK80, LT90, FD80, RT90, FD80, LT90, sorry, RT180, but it was actually supposed to be RT90, so whatever. FD80, RT135, PU, FD 30, set color pick, blue, fill, BK30, PD, RT45, FD160, LT90, FD80, LT135, PU, FD30, set color pick, brown, fill, BK30, PD, LT45, FD80, LT90, FD80, LT90, FD80, LT90, sorry, I meant LT135, PU, FD30, set color pick. What is it supposed to be? Yes, black, fill. Alright, so that's it for today. Bye.